All right, so when we get back from Studio B, we're going to get the details on this year's Guardsman Games. But first we have a game of our own. I doubt this is Guardsman 11, though. It's the Standing Pool Noodle Challenge, whatever that is. So we've got our noodles, which we're going to let go at the same time. The aim is for me to catch Delia's, and Delia to catch mine. What? They're supposed to drop, so Delia going to dive?
No.
Oh. See your barefoot and to get ready for this?
Because I had heels on. I'm not going to chase a noodle.
Apparently they're going to show us how it's supposed to work. Let's watch this video first. See how my noodle does stand up right side. Hold on, man. Let me not go tired before this done.
And the show just started.
So what my leg of mine ain't not going away.
Do we begin?
You ready? But mine no move. That's easy. Dilla, I hear the plan. You go that way, I go that way. So we don't lick up now one another. You ready? I have to go lick up fire. Ready? Ramp it. Dilla, how you want to go?
You your own now.
So,
ready?
Go.
The floor you're too slippery.
How you got so far?
I'm going to go, yes, sir?
What you do?
Ready?
Yeah.
This floor is slippery.
All right, I'll give you one. No, you have to dive for that one.
Yeah, man.
Are you ready?
Yeah, man.
I'm tired already now. I'm done, man.
Prince,
working, man,
come run on the surface.
Go again. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Because your bird is supposed to go so.
No, me, you fling down yours, me just play on mine.
No, it thing there, man. That one is.
Ready.
We're going to do a show in this, no? Come now, birds.
What?
Come now, birds.
Come on, come on. We're going to do a sword fight. Oh, that's it. Thank you. Well, me tired. What do you say I'm not doing?
Nothing.
All right, so we're going to go for a break. And when we come back, Shane will have news in 5.